Season 1 of Sponsors of Brave brought you amazing stories of those displaying acts of ordinary courage and compassion that put healthcare first. In partnership with Adcock Ingram OTC, we're now bringing you Sponsors of Brave, the next generation. This new season shines a light on young students aspiring to be in the healthcare sector. Adcock Ingram OTC is creating a platform for healthcare students and recent graduates to realize their dream of serving our beloved country. This is the next generation of Brave. We chat to Yudhvir Singh, the spokesperson of Adcock Ingram OTC, Sponsors of Brave, and South African journalist legend Derek Watts. Welcome back to the Loft, gentlemen.
Thanks very much, Palesa. Great to be here.
It's always lovely touching base. I mean, Yudhvir, tell us all about the success of Season 1 of Sponsors of Brave.
Sponsors of Brave campaign Season 1 was imagined in August 2019, and its life began well ahead of COVID-19. Its ambition was always to recognize and reward healthcare professionals for their untiring and unselfish service to our beloved South Africa. This became even more meaningful upon the emergence of the coronavirus. Season 1 saw nearly 3,800 nominations with close to 17,500 votes, which were cast. We also received the top honors at the World Association of Newspapers and News Publishers 2020 African Digital Media Awards. Out of the 3,800 nominations, 12 were selected, and out of those, it saw two final winners, which were Dr. Hugo Templeman and Nontutuzuru Sibango.
Yeah. I mean, you just gave me such a flashback. I feel like we're back in Season 1. What a success it truly was. But Yudhvir, what is now the difference with Season 2 of Sponsors of Brave, the next generation?
So Season 2 of Sponsors of Brave, the campaign aims to promote career development in the healthcare sector. The campaign looks at the next generation of healthcare professionals. So what we are trying to do at Adcock Ingram OTC is create a platform for healthcare students and recently qualified healthcare graduates, community service incumbents, to realize their dream of serving South Africa. We've embarked on a journey to aid these students financially in their studies and to provide them with impactful mentorship from academic, professional, and industry leaders. And this campaign is not just about these fearless young people and their mentors, but also a call to all South African residents to recognize, celebrate, and empower the next generation of brave healthcare professionals in our society by nominating them for this worthy prize.
Yudhvir, then why is this such an important initiative to Adcock Ingram?
So if you look at during COVID-19, we had schools closed, universities, certain businesses had to close during various stages of lockdown. Each and every one of us had significant changes in our daily living, which we've experienced. This is somewhere resulted in the dampening of the spirit of many South African residents. We are seeing that the true heroes are our healthcare professionals, and their dedication and support during the pandemic is a testament to bravery. In light of this, and to work towards restoring belief and hope, it is our ambition to encourage the budding healthcare professionals of South Africa to continue to make a difference in the world and to recognize many individuals for their selfless sacrifice.
I mean, thank you so much, Yudhvir, for bringing this. Now, Derek, on your side, you were a judge on Season 1. So what does bravery mean to you, if we could just touch base on that one more time? And what will you be looking for in this next season? Why is it a little different?
Yeah, Blaise, I think it's very different. I mean, they grew up in quieter times. There wasn't the pandemic, no panic of being surrounded by patients possibly carrying the coronavirus. So I can't imagine what it's like to be in some terribly hazardous situations around the country. And then I've seen absolutely incredible work being done at many public and private hospitals with interns and young nurses working round the clock without complaint. So yeah, it's time to recognize that emerging force of pharmacists and healthcare workers across the board. Yeah. And I'm sure the response this time around will be just as fantastic.
Absolutely. I mean, this is exactly why it's key, because there's so many emerging talents out there that are so passionate about the healthcare profession. So then, Derek, why do you think that it's so important to highlight these nominees and give them a platform to grow and have hope?
I think it's important because really they're the people who are going to look after us in the years to come. And don't look at me when I said that. I think many young people are overwhelmed by social media. I don't know if you agree. They read the tweets and the instas of the rock stars, those in the limelight who appear to be living the life, the mansions, the supercars, the champagne flowing. So it's easy for those working quietly in hospitals or in pharmacies, feeling almost insignificant, that their jobs not all that important, when the truth is just the opposite. Take our jobs as presenters. We get the recognition to a great extent, but it's the camera and sound operators, the producers, who are the real heroes. So, Pelez, I think it's all about recognition, exposing the mind-blowing work that some young people do and rewarding them in every way, along with wonderful prizes and opportunities to extend their career paths. So, we salute and empower the next generation of Adcock Ingram's sponsors of Brave.
Halala, indeed, halala. I'm so excited about this, Yudhvir. Please may you tell me more about the mechanism of the competition, how it works, and why is it important for the people at home to nominate these heroes?
Palisa, I can't reiterate all what Derek just said anymore. It is so important to recognize these individuals. There are certain individuals out there, healthcare professionals, who are overcoming significant challenges and difficulties, but still serving our country and our people. And I encourage everyone at home to go and nominate these deserving individuals. You could even nominate yourself, and you could stand a chance to win one of 10 5,000 weekly prizes. Also, if you are a current healthcare professional and you'd like to be a mentor, you could also nominate yourself to become a mentor. And there's also a prize. If you are chosen as a mentor, you stand a chance of winning a congress or an overseas congress of their choice. In order to nominate yourself, you could use any search engine, including Google, and Google sponsors of Brave. And it will come up, and you can click on the link with partners.24.com, and it will take your page with all the details on how to nominate yourself or a deserving student.
Wow, the opportunities here are endless for everyone to get involved. Please may you also tell me then, Yudhvir, about Hopetober. Now we hear that you are all setting off on a big double-decker bus tomorrow to spread hope.
So the Hopetober bus, it's in order to give hope to various individuals. If we look at the pandemic and who were our true heroes in the pandemic, these were the healthcare professionals. What we are trying to do is take hope through song to these individuals. We're going to various hospitals around the country in the 3 major cities, Johannesburg, Pretoria, and Cape Town. We have various artists who are going to be on the bus with us, who will be singing and bringing joy and hope to these individuals. And we encourage everyone to partake in it, obviously within the COVID-19 regulations that we currently abide by.
Gentlemen, thank you again for bringing this season 2 of Sponsors of Brave, Adcock Ingram OTC. The next generation seems to be so hopeful, so bright, and I'm so excited to see everyone that's about to get nominated. Fingers crossed and goodbye.
Cheers for now.
Bye. Now, you can catch the bus live tomorrow morning on the Expresso Show, so make sure that you tune in. Now, you at home can get involved by nominating yourself or a deserving student, and you could win one of 10 5,000 Rand weekly prizes. Featured nominees could also stand a chance to win an impactful mentorship with a healthcare professional in their chosen field and a chance to win one of 2 25,000 Rand scholarships. To get nominated, go to partners.24.com/sponsors of Brave/nominations.
He is a great inspiration to me. I am able to face challenges head on.
We want to acknowledge the healthcare students tirelessly volunteering during COVID-19
She's been a role model. She has given me so much confidence.
and give them hope for their future after this pandemic.
Here I am now, it's 10 years later, and I'm still trying to follow in his footsteps.
We're looking for current and aspiring healthcare students, graduates, interns, or those doing the community service year. Nominate yourself, receive nurturing mentorship, experience health work readiness, and stand a chance to win a 25,000 Rand scholarship. And for the mentors associated with the winner, you'll win an overseas trip to attend a medical conference of your choice. Sponsors of Brave, the next generation of Brave.